Assalamu alaikum, I am Mavra Hussain and you're watching me on Something Hot. Thank you आप सबने मुझे और अमीर को इतना प्यार दिया हमारी शादी पे and I thought this interview would be a great way to give all the love back. So keep watching.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी, मैं हूँ आमना, आप देख रहे हैं समथिंग हॉट। दिस इज़ हॉट टॉक और बहुत ही हॉट और हैपनिंग कॉन्वर्सेशन होने वाली है विद मावरा हुसैन, हु इज़ वन ऑफ माय मोस्ट फेवरेट एक्टर्स, फीमेल एक्टर्स, क्योंकि मावरा ने वो बैलेंस स्ट्राइक कर लिया है जो कि which we look for in a star, somebody who's absolutely gorgeous, who's popular on social media, popular, has a huge fan base, but is extremely responsible in the characters that she chooses, in the projects that she does, in the voice that she raises. So for me, that is like the epitome of an ideal star I have with me, Mavra Hussain. और वालेकुम अस्सलाम, Mavra, क्या हाल है आपका? You're in Karachi these days for the shoot of अगर तुम साथ हो, उसका स्पेल चल रहा है और आपकी नई नई अभी शादी हुई है और आपकी शादी को लेके सबसे पहले मुबारक हो बहुत आपको, congratulations, and you're on set with Amir and your fans just have like a million questions and I have a million questions to ask you. But सबसे पहले please accept our collective congratulations.
Thank you so much.
इतना प्यार मिला मावरा, and of course we'll go towards your work. How could we not? This is my first interview with you.
You know, that is news for me.
है ना?
क्योंकि मुझे हमेशा ऐसे लगा है that I've always spoken to you, but I also just realized that this is our first.
I think we've spoken on and off so many times, और शायद कभी किए गपशप भी लगी हो, बात हुई हो, but sit down interview Hassan has always kind of hogged the interviews.
Come in the way.
हाँ, मैंने कहा हसन अब नहीं, अब पीछे हो जाओ बस. अब पीछे हो जाओ. Absolutely. So सबसे पहले तो ये है कि you're here and you're working and हम बात of course ड्रामों की करेंगे और आपकी projects की करेंगे. It's such an important conversation. But I want to start with the wedding. I'm sorry, I want to start with the wedding because we have so many questions and there's so much love. अमीर के साथ का सफर शुरू हुआ बात से
जी
जो कि था 2020 का ड्रामा. 2020 था, उससे पहले का
We
था.
started shooting in 2019. Yeah, I remember it very, very vividly.
And people saw you on air for the first time in 2020.
जी.
And they started shipping you guys and ने कहा कि बस ये इन दोनों की जोड़ी तो बस ये बन जाए.
हाँ.
So मेरा पहला सवाल तो ये है कि आपको कब लगा कि he's the one?
You know how they say that when you meet your soulmate, you know?
हाँ.
I knew. I didn't know how to make sense of it क्योंकि आप ऐसे ही randomly किसी से पहली बार, actually not पहली बार, we've been in the same law school, लेकिन वहाँ हमारी बहुत brief interactions हुई हैं, which I've spoken about a lot many times in many interviews, very strange interactions. उन्होंने I don't know if I've shared with you, but मैं कहीं पानी खरीद रही थी and I didn't have money.
किधर?
Exam hall के बाहर. That's my first ever interaction with Amir because class में I've never interacted with anyone क्योंकि बहुत पढ़ाई होती थी और मेरे पास बहुत थोड़ा time होता था, so I didn't even notice my class fellows, but exam hall के बाहर मैं पानी खरीद रही थी और आदत है सेट्स की, बस पानी लिया और पी लिया और चले गए. तो उन्होंने कहा बाजी पैसे, और मेरे पास मेरा वॉलेट भी नहीं था. You just have your examination card. So he came in and he said, दीदी उन्होंने पैसे कुछ 35 रुपए थे, and I said I'll give them back to you. He said relax, it's just 35 rupees, and he went into the hall. I think that had an impression on me, but obviously I had my final exam, so I wasn't thinking too much about it. Then I met him properly on Sabat.
Sabat ka set.
I reminded him of this interaction, which he didn't remember. I was like, you don't remember an interaction with me.
ये कौन है जिसको मैं याद नहीं रही? बहुत सीन हो गया.
जब मैं सबात के सेट पर गई और हम लोग as actors हम बहुत travel करते हैं. We're always rushed from one thing to the other. सब कुछ बहुत तेजी से जा रहा था. And when I entered the set and I saw, I looked at this boy praying in a corner. ऐसे मुझे लगा कि वहाँ पे कुछ light है. और something in my heart felt it. But आप एकदम से ये नहीं सोच सकते, oh, what I just felt is a feeling of a soulmate. ऐसे आप खुद, you know, that'd be bizarre. But कुछ feel हुआ था मुझे. And I think over the course of just few days, I knew that I either want him to be in my life or I want someone who's exactly like him. क्योंकि उस वक्त मुझे लगता है कि I was also in that, you know, once both your siblings are married, घर वाले आपको पूछने लग जाते हैं ना, who do you want to marry? I was very confused. I didn't know. मैं ऐसे मम्मा को हमेशा कहती थी कि मम्मा बड़ा आसान है to find a partner जिससे शादी करनी हो. But when I think about who do I want to raise my children with,
बिल्कुल
मैं बहुत कंफ्यूज हो जाती हूँ क्योंकि वैल्यू सिस्टम आपका सेम होगा या किसी इंसान की वैल्यूज आपको इतनी खूबसूरत लगे कि आप सोचो इफ माय चिल्ड्रन आर एग्जैक्टली लाइक हिम आई एम हैप्पी विद इट यू नो सो दोस thoughts used to cross my
और
mind.
मावरा, how old were you then?
I think I was 27.
27.
Yes.
तो 27 पे आपको एक शख्स के ऊपर एक नूर नजर आया है, ऐसा ऐसा ही था ना?
Literally, like ऐसे जैसे कोई लाइट हो और बस मुझे बहुत पीसफुल लगा अमीर से मिलकर. And it wasn't butterflies or it wasn't, you know, कुछ भी रेस्टलेसनेस नहीं थी, बहुत ही काम और बहुत मुझे अच्छा लगा टू मीट हिम एंड आई थॉट यू नो इफ someone can be like him, I'm sure और भी लोग होंगे ऐसे दुनिया में, and this is the kind of person I want to.
तो क्या वो reinforce हुआ, आपने काम करना शुरू किया सबात पे, तो क्या qualities थी which you were like, you know, that hit you कि ये ऐसा होना चाहिए?
It's so strange because I tell Amir this and मुझे लगता है कि उनको ज़्यादा यकीन नहीं है मेरी बातों पर, लेकिन I think that मैं रोज़ अमीर से थोड़ा और impress हो जाती थी, you know, and मैं खुद को भी थोड़ा सोचती थी कि what am I doing and what am I feeling? क्योंकि एक इंसान है जो ना reciprocate कर रहा है, ना कोई ऐसा आपको कोई hint दे रहा है, but आप अपने अंदर, you know, सोच रहे हैं कि oh this is such a perfect guy to be with, or this is just generally such a nice person, so chivalrous, so decent in his mannerism, the way he'd interact with not just me but with everyone on set. Then when we do scenes together, itni wisdom se he'd approach a scene. And for a new actor, because मैंने बहुत सारे new actors के साथ बहुत सारे debuts मेरे मतलब मैं उन ड्रामास में होती थी जिनमें some new actor get launched. तो वो एक होता है, आप you always think कि एक immaturity होगी, आपको चीजें handle करनी पड़ेंगी, आपको समझाना पड़ेगा. But अमीर इतना well prepared था और इतना wise था और बोलता बहुत कम था, तो कंफ्यूज रहती थी मैं कि फील क्या कर रहा है. तो आई थिंक एज एन एक्टर आल्सो मुझे आई रियली हैड टू पुल अप माय सॉक्स बिकॉज़ सब पता था, ही वाज जस्ट रियली प्रिपेयर्ड. मैं नर्वस हो जाती थी सीन्स में क्योंकि आई थिंक शहजाद कश्मीरी एंड अमीर आल्सो बिल्ट अ गुड इक्वेशन फॉर द 20 days they shot without me. और जब मैं पहुंची तो मुझे लगा कि ये मेरी टेरिटरी नहीं है, तो मुझे बहुत एकदम से खुद को प्रिपेयर करना पड़ा. एंड yeah, so all of that I think kind of.
मगर ये nervousness थी कि butterflies थे?
I think ये nervousness
थी.
हाँ, nervousness थी क्योंकि वो जो एक general calm था ना air में, that I could feel. So but ये चीजें ऐसी होती है ना आमना, you cannot put them in a few words. You just feel it and you think that something's right about what you're feeling. But then of course because like I said अमीर बहुत कम बात करता था और मैं कुछ ज़्यादा समझ नहीं पाती थी उनकी feelings या whatever he like at least to do with me. मुझे कुछ ऐसा कोई hint भी नहीं मिल रहे थे, कुछ भी नहीं. That was also very surprising for me.
But not flirtatious, not at all. And not like over friendly.
No, not at all. I think if anyone was over friendly, it was me. क्योंकि you know I was also very curious that how do you stay quiet for this long? How are you so calm on a set which is so noisy? So I think I was pulled to that calm कि ये काम मुझे भी चाहिए. और उसके बाद I think हम लोग कश्मीर शूट करने गए for a few days, जो हमारा सबात में हनीमून का पूरी शूट थी. And वहाँ पे I don't remember using my phone. I was just and for me it was
for
a big
you
deal
I
back
know
then.
I know
अब तो थोड़ा normalize हो गया मेरा phone ना use करना, but back then सब परेशान हो गए कि मावरा ना post कर रही है, ना कहीं कोई ना call कर रही है, कहाँ गायब कहाँ है. So I think I was just really engrossed in noticing him. So these were the first few.
Those were the first few. I think people picked up on that energy.
Yeah.
लोगों ने देखा तो एक तो you know we're such suckers for good romance and good couples, you know. On screen कोई मिल जाए तो बस उसको off screen real to real करके ही छोड़ना है, shipping शुरू हो जाती है. और ये तो match made in heaven लगता था. But really the chemistry was great and you guys looked so good together. और वो कैरेक्टर्स भी बहुत एक दूसरे के अंदर वो ब्लेंड से जेल से हो गए बहुत ही अच्छे तरीके से. शिफ्ट मुझे लगता है कि मावरा, आई थिंक द शिफ्ट केम अ बिट आफ्टर समी एंड देन सबात वाज लाइक द मेजर
Yeah.
turn in your career and your life as well.
Yeah.
Because अब सबात था 2020 में, 2020 से 2024 तक 4 years.
Yeah.
मतलब लोग ये स्पेकुलेट ही करते हैं ना कि नहीं ये जरूर इकट्ठे होंगे, बताया नहीं, ये चुपके से की, ये हमें we knew. So what was
असल में ना,
happening
जब
in
मैं ये
those 4
चीजें
years?
पढ़ती थी ना, तो मैं सोचती थी आई विश कि
हाँ,
ऐसा होता.
हाँ.
Because I think that like I said, I had a lot of clarity to do with him. But you cannot rush things. One thing I learned in life is, वक्त से पहले और नसीब से ज्यादा नहीं मिल सकता. So you have to let things be. Whether it's a project, whether it's a relationship, चाहे वो मेरी पढ़ाई थी, वो अपने वक्त से चीजें हुई हैं. So I think by the time I met Amir, ये चीज तो मैं सीख चुकी थी कि you have to let things be.
Yeah.
उनको अपने वक्त से होने दें. And I think I was also too reluctant to share my feelings, क्योंकि आपको एक डर भी होता है ना कि what if you lose the friendship you have.
हाँ.
And I didn't want to lose him as a friend. I always wanted to, even if all of this did not happen, I would have want to keep him forever as a friend.
In your life, yeah.
Yeah, because उसकी advice, उसकी बातें मेरे लिए बहुत over the years बहुत important होती जा रही थी. And I knew that even if this doesn't become a romantic relationship, this relationship is staying.
Are you a romantic person?
I think I am. I think.
But you were okay not having a romantic relationship with somebody
yeah,
that...
I was. Amna, when you see so much in life, work-wise, experiences-wise, you realize कि सबसे जो important चीज़ है ना, वो है दिल का सुकून और to protect your happiness. So वो happiness अब आपको चाहे friendship की form में मिल रही है, family की form में मिल रही है, you want to protect it. I was never greedy. कि मुझे और चाहिए इसी चीज में से और. So I was very content with what I had. And I think अमीर की बहुत सारी बातों से, एडवाइस से मेरा करियर बहुत अच्छे से शेप हो रहा था. It's almost like उसकी एडवाइस बहुत essential हो गई थी मेरी लाइफ में. So then I didn't want to meddle with it. I wanted to leave it to अल्लाह मियाँ कि देखी जाएगी, जो होगा देखा जाएगा,
जो होगा देखा जाएगा.
And I think जो हुआ है फिर.
हाँ, फिर अमीर पढ़ने चले गए बीच में,
जी,
है ना? He went to do his masters, I believe.
जी.
He went to do his masters. और कभी इन 4 सालों में लगा कि okay, the feelings are reciprocated.
I think right at the end, I think it wasn't Amir who told me he has feelings for me, it was his mother.
Did she have like feelings to have you as a daughter-in-law, or did she know that he had feelings?
No, she did have feelings too. And she, उन्होंने जब मुझसे conversation की, उन्होंने मुझे यही कहा कि मेरा ये जो बेटा है, इसको मेरे से better कोई समझता नहीं है. The way he cares for you and the way he's concerned for you all the time, I'm telling you, these are his feelings. He's just not as expressive. So I think that was kind of वहाँ पे मैं थोड़ा relax हो गई कि अच्छा आंटी को नजर आ रहा है तो
कोई होगा. होगा.
Yeah.
And then कोई grand proposal या मुझे तो उर्वा का प्रपोजल याद था जो आईफिल टावर के नीचे, वो बड़ा खूबसूरत मोमेंट था.
वो प्रपोजल की प्लानिंग में मेरे बहुत हमने बड़ा वो किया था, secretive. I think that is a big proposal I planned with my brother-in-law. But no, not this time around. Auntie proposed to me when they came to our house. Auntie gave me a ring and auntie said कि भाई ये इससे कुछ नहीं हो रहा, come here, sit here. And that's how it happened. It was very sweet. I think आप सोचते कुछ हो, हम movies में कुछ देखते हैं, films से हम कुछ inspiration लेते हैं about proposals, but I think and even as a teenager, I must have also thought कि proposal होता है, you go down on your knee.
बड़ा कोई moment होगा.
Yeah, but I think his mother accepting me or giving me the love the way she did, the way she proposed to me and my family, मुझे लगता है मेरे माँ बाप की आंखें चमक रही थी. And I think वो मेरे लिए बहुत special moment है.
Emotional
and
time
not just
होगा ना.
Amir's mom, Amir's dad is also so warm. Over the years, मेरी उनसे बड़ी दोस्ती हो गई थी, तो मैं और अंकल बैठ के बहुत बातें करते थे. तो मुझे it was just the whole vibe together. मेरी अंकल से इंडिविजुअल दोस्ती थी, उनसे मैं अलग तरह की बातें करती थी, काम की, कोई एडवाइस, कोई इस तरह, investments, a lot of things. We talk about anything under the sun. आंटी से अलग तरह की बातें होती थी. And then Amir and I have a lot of common friends. So I became very comfortable in that circle. So I think वो life इतनी wholesome हो गई थी कि I didn't want to question it. I didn't want to know कब कैसे क्या permanent होना है, नहीं होना है, क्या. I didn't want to go into that. I think once when Ameer went to Howard, मुझे थोड़ा धचका लगा था कि ये वहीं ना सेटल हो जाए क्योंकि ये थोड़ा सा सोच रहा था उस टाइम पे कि maybe I just pursue my legal career, and I was like, no, you have to come back. And thank God Neem brought him back.
Yeah. And what a project that was. Neem was such a fantastic project, and you both were so good in it, but I think he was exceptional.
Yeah, I think too.
I think
that
yeah.
too.
I mean, let's just give it to him.
No, he was. And I think to add stammer to your character in such an endearing way.
Absolutely.
And I have not seen a hero character stammer when it's not a mockery.
Yeah.
Usually it's done to give comic relief or all of that. But it was done in such a sensitive, endearing manner.
Yeah.
Even I thought that Ameer's performance was the best performance in Neem and generally.
Yeah, but I think वो जो उनकी personality की sensitivity है, वो it reflects in his character. नजर आती है उनके काम में. मैं पहली दफा मिली the other day, and I felt that he does have a calm. He is reclusive. He's quiet.
Yeah.
But he has a maturity and a calm that reflects in his work.
Yeah.
And I think that's lovely.
Yeah.
And I think it also balances both of you. Although you also become very calm with time, but maybe it's Ameer rubbing off on you. You know?
And I was never mindful of this change in my personality. It's only when people pointed it out to me. I remember in my last interview with Hassan asked me this, and I said, ये जब आप लोगों ने मुझे point out किया है, तो मुझे realize हुआ है कि मेरी personality shift हुई है.
Yeah.
It's not like I was trying to change myself, because I'm very happy with my journey and how I've grown over the years. सबके सामने ही मैं तो सब चीजें सबके सामने बड़ी हुई हूँ मैं. तो मुझे लगता है कि उनकी personality का it has had a very good effect on my personality and the way I think.
Absolutely. I mean, 2016 वाली सनम तेरी कसम वाली मावरा और 2025 which you re-released, by the way. Congratulations.
Thank
I mean,
you.
what a phenomenal success.
Oh my God, thank you.
And you credited completely to Ameer कि इसकी good luck है.
मैं आपको पता है मेरे क्रेडिट देने से पहले my producer called me from Bombay and he said आपके पति हमारे लिए बड़े भाग लेकर आए हैं. I said I agree क्योंकि ये एक ही missing puzzle piece थे. And it happened on the wedding day, so that also made me think that.
Amazing. I mean, क्योंकि फिल्म तो वही है. और हमने तो उस वक्त भी enjoy की थी, but it wasn't a box office hit जो अब उसको जिस किस्म की acclaim मिली है. मतलब I think उस वक्त बहुत सी releases हो रही थी, अच्छी थी, मगर जो अभी जो हमने देखा एक frenzy of success and numbers and everybody's talking about it and everybody's covering it. It's insane. और शादी वाले दिन तो कुछ तो the stars were aligned, I think, on it है ना? Had to be.
I think कल परसों ही कुछ हमारे घर पे लोग आए हुए थे उर्वा और फरहान भाई की तरफ, तो वो मुझे congratulate कर रहे थे. तो फरहान भाई अमीर को टैप करके कह रहे लड़का हमारा नसीब लेकर आया. So I agree with that. I think कि बहुत अच्छी किस्मत लेकर आया.
अच्छी किस्मत है. हाँ, अल्लाह का शुक्र है. लो जी, शादी का वक्त आ गया और एक दिन सडनली पता चलता है कि जी मावरा की और अमीर की तो निकाह हो गया है. एक तस्वीर लगती है और पता चलता है. ऑल्दो whispers चाइनीज whispers तो चल रहे थे कि शादी हो रही है, नहीं हो रही, हो रही है, नहीं हो रही. तो ये इतना सीक्रेट क्यों था?
Secret नहीं था. I've been saying this to everyone that there's a difference between being secretive and being private. We were just trying to be private about it, and whispers तो हमारे तब से चल रहे हैं जब से हमें ही नहीं पता था कि हमारी शादी होनी है. तो whispers didn't bother us this time around. Either हमने कही तो तब से चल रहे हैं जब कोई बात ही नहीं थी, कोई चांस ही नहीं था. तो अभी भी चल रहे हैं तो चलने देते हैं. लेकिन शादी को प्राइवेट रखने का मकसद सिर्फ ये था कि हम उसको बहुत ही होलसम तरीके से एंजॉय कर सकें. Of course, it's such a joyful moment for us. We wanted to share it with the world, but at a time we feel like sharing it, and not through the process. So I think वो process हमारे लिए बहुत ही अपना था क्योंकि सबके साथ shared नहीं था. And of course, once we shared it with the kind of love we received, we're so grateful. But I think वो ऐसे moments होते हैं.
Outpouring of love. इतना प्यार.
No, we're so
like
grateful.
Overwhelming.
So grateful to the fans and to everybody. बहुत unbelievable. लेकिन उसको सिर्फ प्राइवेट रखने का मकसद ये था कि आपके ना अपनी फैमिली के साथ मोमेंट्स मिस हो जाते हैं. When there's too much noise and there's too much, and we've been in the field, my entire family, for the last like over a decade now. And we've realized how much we've missed out on क्योंकि वो noise में कहीं गुम हो जाता है. So I think this time around we were very mindful that we really want to enjoy it with our family members. Plus we didn't have a very long time between when the dates were fixed and to the wedding. तो हम लोगों की हमने सारी शादियां रखी भी घरों में थी. निकाह मेरे घर पे था, मेरे पेरेंट्स के घर पे. रुखसती was from Urwa Farhan's house and Walima was at Amir's farm. So क्योंकि सब ऐसे बस planning ही ऐसे घर वाली हो रही थी and only people, we invited the people who we were really close to, all really close friends and family. So yeah, that was
और अमीर का भी जिनके साथ comfort level हो.
बिल्कुल.
Because he's more of the private one. So
I think कि मतलब अब तो मुझे भी, because I have experienced it and I have realized how I don't know how to say this, but इतना आपको like your heart's full जब आप कम लोगों में और सब आपके सिर्फ अपने होते हैं ना, and it's not up for display in that very moment, आप you're able to live that moment. तो मुझे लगता है कि वो बहुत ही बेहतरीन तरीका था to do it. लेकिन I think if you'd asked me a month ago, maybe I would have wanted to invite the whole world. But अब मुझे समझ में आ गई है कि क्यों it's just better to keep it private and then enjoy it with your loved ones.
Right.
And then of course the world can see what you did.
Absolutely.
You know, ऐसा कोई secret तो था नहीं. I think I shared जितने भी events हुए हैं.
Like you said, difference between secretive or private.
Yeah, I mean मायूं मेरे घर के terrace पे था.
हाँ.
तो you know सिर्फ मेरी girlfriends और सिर्फ अमीर की side से भी all the girls and it was so wholesome. Alhamdulillah.
तो शादी की planning तो of course पहले से ही हुई होगी and especially the wardrobe. वो तो एक बहुत बड़ा सवाल कि you know अब बाद में you release pictures of the माइयों and the ढोलकीज़, मगर पहली जो तस्वीर लोगों ने देखी वो एक बहुत खूबसूरत शूट था निकाह का. एक तो पहले निकाह की तस्वीर आई है ना, जो तस्वीर डाली गई and then we saw the shoot and everything. So the निकाह की जो look थी, so I would love to talk about how you like thought of the looks and you know because मैंने तो जब डिस्कस भी की तो तीनों दिन का अलग लुक थी completely. You know, एक अगर गोल्ड्स में चल रहा है तो एक डायमंड्स और वाइट्स में चल रहा है. And the nikah was of course an extremely emotional outfit. So tell me about it. How that came together.
Oh, the nikah outfit. That is a very special outfit for me. And मैं इतनी खुश हूँ कि आंटी ने अपने कपड़े प्रिजर्व करके रखे हुए थे. So the दुपट्टा I wore ये आंटी ने अपनी शादी पे पहना था और इसके साथ पूरा आउटफिट भी है which I will wear at some point. लेकिन मैं शादी के लिए I didn't want to meddle with it. मैं उसको change नहीं करना चाहती थी बिल्कुल भी. So we only restored the दुपट्टा to leave the outfit as it is. और फिर I took it to Rano's क्योंकि मुझे पता है कि Rano's से better restoration कोई नहीं करता. And I think Rano aunty and Jahanur, I think record time में उन्होंने मेरा outfit बनाया है. I hope that I can, you know, or you can at some point sit with them and ask them about the process.
Yeah, I'd love to.
Jahanur told me कि उसने कभी भी, I think she said 28 days is a record time for us to make this outfit.
They made it in 20, that means it can happen in 28 days.
No,
but
I think I told them that either it's you guys or I'm going with the original outfit. क्योंकि मैं ये restoration का risk ना, ये मैं दुपट्टा कहीं और दे ही नहीं सकती हूँ. So I think वो शायद रानो आंटी के दिल पे लग गई मेरी बात. And she agreed to do it. And I think मेरी निकाह से पिछली रात को I received the outfit. तो मुझे पता था कि I am restoring auntie's outfit. उन्होंने अपनी शादी पे पहना है. And then auntie gave me Amir's dadi's jewelry to wear with the outfit. So ये सब मुझे पता था like information. But I think on the day when I actually wore it, I think in that moment I realized how much it meant to me to do this. And I'm so glad I did. And I would really hope that I can pass this on to my daughter or my daughter-in-law. And, you know,
but it must have also meant a lot to Amir.
Yeah. Amir ke dada, when he saw me at the nikah, he started crying because it was his wife's jewelry from her wedding. जो दादी ने अपनी शादी पर पहनी थी वो jewelry थी.
Dadi is
no, she's no more. So everybody got really emotional. And Amir's mom's khala got really emotional कि oh this दुपट्टा मैंने हिना को देखा हुआ इस दुपट्टे में. So I think it was really emotional for everyone. And I'm so glad कि emotionally तो बहुत प्यारा था ही. The look also came together really well.
Absolutely.
And I thought it was like it was better than what I had expected for my nikah.
Yeah. और फिर अगला दिन था.
अगला दिन का जो outfit
रुखसती का.
That Urva selected. Yeah, that outfit
beautiful.
Urva chose.
Like was it a peach and gold? Was it a?
It was champagne,
champagne,
peachish, like you
हाँ,
can't really put a finger
on the color of the hair.
लेकिन मेरा जो सेट था जो मैंने अपनी रुखसती पे पहना है वो मामा ने मेरे लिए कुछ साल पहले बनवा लिया था.
Right.
You know how when your parents get
Yes.
a little fever and they're like अपनी जिम्मेदारियां पूरी
कर लो, जेवर पूरा कर
It
लो,
was one
हाँ.
of those things. My mom was unwell and she said मेरे साथ तुम चलो ज्वेलर के पास, तुम्हारी शादी की ज्वेलरी बनानी है. So this the jewelry set has been with me for some time.
The
The matha patti and
and,
everything.
हाँ.
And ये तब भी बड़े शौक से बड़ी सोच माथा पट्टी इनफैक्ट अभी बनी है. ये हमने साथ में डिजाइन की because we thought कि अच्छी लगेगी with the outfit. और फिजान भाई ने भी बड़ी लास्ट मिनट मेरे साथ बैठ के डिजाइन की और you know we started from having sketches on paper.
Oh wow, okay.
So I think ये भी एक
हाँ.
महीने में
हाँ.
I mean it's amazing how everyone came
together
to
yeah.
make things happen for
Yeah.
me and for Amir. आपको अपनी शादी पे एहसास होता है आप कितने loved हो.
हाँ,
So I think that I truly felt with every person I worked with my outfits and jewelry and everything. लेकिन ये outfit select उर्वा ने किया था.
उर्वा ने किया था. सानिया मुस्काती I think.
Yeah, and then when we ordered it, हमने उसमें कुछ चीजें थोड़ी सी customize कराई थी. I had a little brooch here that said Mavra Amir.
Okay.
Small things, small details. So yeah, that was also a very special
I
one.
must say everybody kept it a good well secret जब ये चीजें बन रही थी तो obviously उनको तो पता होगा.
जी, and I think they kept it a secret to kind of show their respect for us.
Absolutely.
मेरा नहीं ख्याल मैंने कभी भी किसी भी डिजाइनर या किसी से इतना seriously approach करके कोई बात की होगी इन 10 सालों में. I've been the kid on the block and I've worked with all of them. I've had such good experiences with all of them. So I think when I went to them and said, देखें ये बात किसी से नहीं करनी. ये मेरे लिए बहुत दिल के करीब बात है.
So they respected you for that.
Yeah, I think they showed a lot of respect. Then Khadija did the final outfit.
The walima.
हाँ, I think वो भी उससे बेहतर नहीं हो सकता था.
And again, completely changed the look. It was like
I knew I want to wear ice blue.
Ice
that
blues,
I knew. But rest of it was.
It's your color. Blues are your color, absolutely for sure. But the diamonds, they were completely different.
Yeah, the jewelry was of course, but auntie gave it to me, so वो सब auntie का talent है. The jewelry also went so well with the outfit.
So well with it. You didn't know before? You knew?
No, I knew. She knew my outfit's ice blue.
Right.
And I knew that she's doing the jewelry.
Right.
But I don't think, Amna, that I was worked up about anything.
हाँ.
मुझे पता था it'll
all work. It'll all come together.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
क्योंकि सबकी इतनी अच्छी जब intention होती है to make it happen for you, तो चीजें अपने
हो जाती हैं.
सबसे खूबसूरत तरीके से
Were you coordinating your outfits with Amir? Were you selecting his outfits or looks for him?
No, actually, not at all.
कुछ पता था कि वो क्या पहन रहे हैं या क्या हो रहा है?
So जो अमीर ने निकाह पे आउटफिट पहना है वो तो it was selected by auntie. वो auntie ने color और fabric और वो सब. But Muneeb bhai also made Muneeb Nawaz. He also did a fantastic job on the chadar and everything. But I think that color came from auntie. Auntie suggested it to Amir and Amir really liked it. For the wedding day, I really wanted him to wear like a powder pink because we were, making that sherwani for him. Yeah. So I asked him and he said, "Are you sure?" I said, "Okay, I'll safe side make a white and black for you, but
if you can,
why don't you wear a powder pink?"
Powder pink,
And he very sweetly agreed. But actually, Amir की शेरवानी से बाद मेरा outfit final हुआ क्योंकि पहले I was actually going for some other bridal for my रुखसती and then Urva said नहीं ये वाला है this is your color and I think the moment Urva showed it to me I immediately thought हाँ यही है this is what I want और वो naturally match भी हो गया मेरी उस jewelry से जो मामा ने बनाई हुई थी so everything just fell in place and Amir का suit for the walima also that's also Muneeb Nawaz
right
and I think nobody does it better than
so
him.
everybody was working in tandem, सब कुछ साथ-साथ चल रहा और एक खुला बिल्कुल relax माहौल था, chill vibe थी.
Yeah.
Chill vibe थी.
I think I was very chill. So was Amir. हमारे parents भी बहुत chill थे. Actually कोई भी परेशान नहीं हो रहा था माशाल्लाह. सबको पता था कि सब हो जाएगा. And events क्योंकि घरों में थे, हम बहुत relaxed थे. हमारे जो events planners हैं उनको भी पता था events घरों में है so they also had a very different homely vibe planned out for the events so I think बस सबने बहुत मिलके सब कुछ बहुत प्यारा बना दिया.
Of course you guys were stars of all 3 days but I have to say the Shendi जो रुखसती वाला दिन था Urva and Farhan completely stole the show with the dances and Farhan का जो concert था we were like man बहनोई हो तो ऐसा हो फिर हाँ.
They were so amazing. They were such brilliant hosts at my रुखसती. I mean, I have always received so much love from them and, the world knows how much we love each other. But I think that this wedding was really special, really special. आप सोचें आपकी फैमिली आपसे बचपन से ही बहुत प्यार करती है, so it's not like you've never seen that love. But the way I witnessed it sitting on that sofa,
Yeah.
it was incredible. I was crying throughout my
मैं पूछने लगी थी कि रोया कौन कौन?
throughout.
Throughout.
Everybody was
Everybody.
crying. But
Emotions.
you know, my sister's mother-in-law said कि सिर्फ तुम्हारे माँ बाप नहीं, हम भी तुम्हें रुखसत करें, and she was also teary-eyed.
Teary-eyed.
So I think I've had that individual relationship with everyone in my family and extended family and friends. My friends' parents were crying. So I think it was very special. I truly felt the love.
A lot of emotion, a lot of love. Fantastic.
Yeah.
और कितने दिन की छुट्टी मिली जिसमें ये सब कुछ स्क्वीज हुआ था between shoots and
15 days.
15 days.
Yeah.
उससे पहले क्या किस चीज का शूट?
यही अगर तुम
साथ हो का शूट है, फिर शादी है, फिर रिज्यूम.
अगर तुम साथ हो के जब वो स्पेल रैप हुआ था, जो कि वो खुद से रैप हो रहा था, ये छुट्टियां हमारी हमेशा से स्पेल्स का पार्ट थी. ये हमने छुट्टियां ली नहीं है शादी के लिए. तो आई थिंक जब हमारा लास्ट डे था शूट का, तो वी टोल्ड एवरीवन दैट वी आर एक्चुअली गोइंग फॉर इन छुट्टियों में हमारी शादी है.
And I remember you mentioning कि your mother-in-law said कि ये छुट्टियां आ रही हैं तो इनमें शादी.
जी. या क्योंकि हम चाहते थे कि शादी अप्रैल में हो, जब हम अगर तुम साथ हो रैप
हो जाए.
बट आई थिंक दे लुक्ड एट आवर स्केड्यूल, दे वर लाइक ये बीच में 10 दिन आ रहे हैं. वो फिर 10 से खुद ही 15 हो गए फ्रॉम द shoot scheduling. तो हमने कहा okay, great.
So where is home for you guys now? Because I know you've been in Karachi for the spell.
Yeah.
और फिर वापस to Islamabad is home now और लाहौर, मतलब अब क्या? How do you feel?
I don't know, you know, क्योंकि मेरी फैमिली हमेशा से किस तरह के अनयूजुअल मॉडल में रहती है कि मेरे पेरेंट्स ऑस्ट्रेलिया में रहते हैं. My sister and my brother-in-law used to be in Karachi. Now they're in Karachi and Lahore both. So I think for me, home is wherever my family is. And now I have another beautiful family, Amir's family, जो इस्लामाबाद में रहती है. So now every city is home.
Every city is home.
Yeah.
हाँ.
जहाँ family है वहाँ home है.
हाँ, absolutely, absolutely. That's great. I mean, it's like, you know, again, बहुत मुबारक हो.
Thank you.
बहुत अच्छे तरीके. I think you've set really good examples. But Mavra, you're setting good examples in your personal life, and may you be blessed, you know.
Ameen.
And always, and I think you've always also set very good examples with the characters you've chosen. And of course, you've spoken about it a lot, but हमारी कभी conversation on record इस चीज़ पे नहीं हुई कि मेरे ख्याल है कि Sammi was the turning point in your career, जिसके बाद you have only done very strong female protagonist characters that come with a sense of responsibility, come with a sense of, you know, कि औरतों को inspire करना है, या मतलब है कि कोई I wouldn't say messaging, but it just has to, it's a responsible choice. So how did that shift happen? Because not that you were irresponsible before, but I think you were going with the flow. And there was a time when I remember Masala Dubai, they crowned you, you know, क्या था, social media sensation.
Yeah.
That was a time when Mavra Hussain was queen of social media, you know, likes and the posts and the virality and all that. And then we saw this really calm and collected and very responsible Mavra Hussain. So was that a conscious effort कि अच्छा मुझे अब now it's time and इतने साल कर लिया है, you know, I am a big star, now I have to be responsible. कैसे हुआ था?
You know, मुझे लगता है मैं बस सबके सामने बड़ी हो गई. You know, मैंने जब अपना पहला सीरियल किया था, I was 19.
Yeah.
तो आप जब छोटे होते हो, आप डिफरेंट चीजें सोचते हो. Just being on TV is exciting. स्क्रिप्ट तो बहुत बाद में समझ आना शुरू हुए कि अच्छा स्क्रिप्ट इज ऑल्सो माई रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. शुरू में आपको लगता है बस whoever will pick you, जो डायरेक्टर आपको रख ले अपने ड्रामा में, and you get an opportunity to work again. So I think for the first few years it was like that. But I remember doing this serial in second or third year of my career, Main Bushra. So that character was a very important character. I think abhi bhi, if you go back and watch it, she was a very strong, independent girl running her household. I think that is the first time I realized that playing characters can also leave an impact on you.
Yeah.
And I truly feel कि मेरे जो characters मैंने play किए हैं over the last many years, they have shaped who I am today. So, and not the other way around. It's not that Mavra was doing this.
Right.
I think the characters were helping me grow.
Right.
And then, obviously, in a way, also dictating my choices. So I think Main Bushra is the first time I realized the power of words and my dialogues. When people would repeat them to me, कहीं मुझे मिलते थे लोग, तब इतना ज़्यादा ये dialogues share होना और Instagram इतना ज़्यादा नहीं हुआ था. तो people would meet me at airports and they would tell me कि क्या impact हुआ उनकी life पर मेरी बातों से. So I think वहाँ से it all started a little bit. But honestly, when you're younger as an actor, आपके पास बहुत ज़्यादा freedom नहीं होता है to choose. You're just going into a project which is, you can say, decent enough for you to do.
Right.
According to your own definition of decent. Lekin you're right. Sami is when I consciously decided to do Sami. It was also Momna Durre who guided me into doing a Sami, which was वनी पे बेस्ड था वो, और जो वो वट्टा सट्टा होता है और किसी के कत्ल के बदले आप अपनी बेटी दे देते हो बेटे को माफ करवाने के लिए. That
chilling traditions, right?
Oh my
that prevail. Chilling, yeah.
Oh
absolutely.
my God. And you know, हम एक बहुत ही रूरल एरिया में गए थे. I don't want to name. वहाँ पर हमने ये होते हुए भी देखा है. हम जहाँ Sami शूट कर रहे थे, हमने वहाँ पे ये प्रैक्टिसेस होते हुए भी देखी हैं. And there's nothing you can do. You just have to sit back down and act like it's not happening.
Yeah.
So I think Sami बहुत important था मेरे लिए. और फिर Sami onwards, of course, I also want to be a heroine, you know.
Yeah, yeah.
कि entertainment वाले जो entertaining projects होते हैं, where you just get to look nice and
glamorous.
Yeah, but where I draw the line is that my glamorous roles, or so to say, a brainless role, shouldn't harm the society in any way.
Yeah.
I'm not saying I don't want to ever do anything जिसमें lesson ना हो, लेकिन मैं इंशाल्लाह, I hope so, कि मैं कभी ऐसा कुछ नहीं करूँ that takes women back a few years, or a certain set of people back. जो आपके specially abled लोग होते हैं, उनकी मौकरी या उनको पीछे ले जाना. Like I said, नीम में आप स्टैमर को इतना beautifully दिखा रहे हो.
बिल्कुल.
I will definitely be a part of such a project. But जिस तरह से स्टैमर को इतने सालों में मैंने देखा है स्क्रीन पे, I wouldn't want to be associated to a project like that. If I'm in the project, I wouldn't want to be in the track. So that really narrows down your choices. कि आप मतलब आप कितना कुछ fix कर सकते हो. But I'm also so grateful to Momina. Momina is a very responsible producer. हमसे पहले वो ये चीजें चेक करती हैं. और अगर कभी कोई concern होता है मेरा, I know I can call her directly.
Right.
Sometimes I convince her, sometimes she convinces me. But I think वो जो एक common value system है ना, to not wrong the society, वो मुझे बहुत help करता है. That's why I think I constantly work.
तो are scripts getting better? आपको लग रहा है कि अब ज़्यादा scripts अभी भी careless आ रहे हैं या अब ज़रा सी जिम्मेदारी है, sense of responsibility?
नहीं, I think majority तो careless scripts की है. And I think वो intentional नहीं है. वो इसलिए है क्योंकि वो चीज़ बिकती है. और ऑडियंस भी उसको देखती है, उसकी बहुत रेटिंग आती है. सो प्रोड्यूसर्स और राइटर्स और ये लोग भी सब सिर्फ अपनी मर्जी नहीं कर रहे हैं. they're also tied down by a certain set of rules जिनसे ये इंडस्ट्री चल रही है. सो आई थिंक वो भी ज़रूरी है. I don't judge people who are doing like out and out entertainers or even borderline careless scripts. But I think that what is also important कि आप किसी set of लोगों को harm ना करें, hurt ना करें, उनका sentiment hurt ना करें, उनके confidence को shatter ना करें. So I keep these things in mind. And I think एक industry के चलने के लिए दोनों चीजें चाहिए. So I'm glad that a certain set of people do a certain set of dramas जिनकी वजह से हम जफा कर पाते हैं, आंगन कर पाते हैं, सम्मी कर पाते हैं.
That's such a responsible thing to say actually कि वाकई balance बन रहा है.
जी, क्योंकि जब balance नहीं होगा ना तो industry नहीं होगी और फिर मैं ये dramas कहाँ करूँगी. So I'm also kind of very satisfied with the way this industry is working. And I think हर किसी ने अपना role play करना है. हर इंसान एक different stage और age पे और different तरह की responsibility feel करता है. So each to their own, truly. Like everyone has to just play their part. I have to do my part. And everything else can still work the way it's working.
Yeah. Are you satisfied with your career today? When you look back, and do you feel मतलब है कि well done, Mavra, you've done well, or do you feel that मैं ये पार्ट बेहतर कर सकती थी या मुझे ये करना है, अपने करियर को देख सोच के क्या आपके जहन में आता है? Do you ever think about it?
No.
No. Okay.
I think about a scene that I've done,
Okay.
say, or when I'm shooting on the day, maybe 3 days later, I'm still thinking about the scene I shot 3 दिन पहले. लेकिन I don't think I ever sit down and think क्या किया है.
क्या किया है?
हाँ, क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि मेरा contribution अभी बहुत कम है.
Okay.
And I'm not just saying it. I really want to do a lot more. I want to do. I hope I can. I want to do many, many more projects. I feel like I've just started.
That's great.
I truly feel that नौरोज पे जब सब मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा appreciation दे रहे थे, तो I wanted to reach out to everyone and tell them I'm just starting.
Yeah.
You know, मुझे खुद भी as an actor बहुत excited feel हो रहा है. I
No,
feel
Rose
like
was a phenomenal performance. It was fantastic. I mean,
thank you, and you know that is also all thanks to
Yeah.
Mr. Amir Gilani.
Yeah.
I was not going to do Nowroz.
I love how Amir is getting all the credit for
It's
everything.
true. आना it's true. पता है जब शादी से पहले ना मैं इस तरह खुल के कह नहीं सकती थी,
हाँ.
क्योंकि उसको फौरन से एक रोमांटिक एंगल देके हमारी शादी की डेटें रख दी जाती थी ऑनलाइन. तो मैं बहुत संभल के बात करती थी अबाउट अमीर कि कोई भी क्योंकि फिर सारी बात एक तरफ रह जाती थी और हेडलाइन सिर्फ इसी बात की लग जाती थी. बट आई वाज टू स्केयर्ड टू डू नौरोज. आई टोल्ड अमीर दैट आई डोंट थिंक आई हैव द ability to perform a Rishtina. And I told him, I said, I'm going to call Shahzad
Really?
bhai. Yeah,
हाँ.
क्योंकि हम लोग नीम करने वाले थे
हाँ.
साथ में. And क्योंकि अमीर हार्वर्ड चले गए तो नौरोज पहले आ गया मेरे स्केड्यूल में. So we were prepping for Neem and then he went and फिर I said, I think they just brought it to me क्योंकि नीम नहीं हो रहा अभी. मैंने कहा, I don't think they realize ये मेरे पास क्या ले आए हैं काशिफ भाई और शहजाद भाई both. I don't think I have the talent to perform Rishtina. I was very underconfident. I really wanted out. I was like, मैं करूँगी, मुझसे होगा नहीं और फिर सब कहेंगे कि नहीं इसको एक्टिंग नहीं आती. मैं बहुत डर गई थी. तो अमीर सेड क्या हो जाएगा ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा, you'll fail, the project will fail. So what? At least try.
Yeah.
So I think that was a necessary push I needed.
Was it a demanding performance?
Yeah.
Did you feel did it take a toll on you?
Yeah. Prepping for it was very hard.
हाँ.
क्योंकि शहजाद भाई ने इसी preparation के लिए कहा था कि unprepare yourself. Now, I don't know how to do that. He said, empty your mind, your brain, your heart, your system. It's like you were born yesterday. You don't know anything about the world.
That's what the character was?
Yeah. तो वो बड़ा, मैंने कहा क्या मतलब है इस बात का? कैसे? How do you? So to unlearn everything you know about not just acting, but about existing
About life.
as a girl.
Yeah.
You know, and but I think it's also Shahzad Kashmiri's magic. He really guided me through that journey. And
You're the one who delivered that magic.
I know, but एक director का बहुत
of course.
मतलब वो आपके अंदर से वो performance extract director ही करते हैं.
हाँ.
And I am specifically for myself, I can say that I'm truly a director's actor. मेरे अंदर से काम निकलवाते directors हैं. I'm very focused. I work very hard. I'm available. I'm punctual. I'm all those things that a director needs from me. But मेरी जो creative जर्नी होती है ना, उस पे मुझे मेरे डायरेक्टर्स लेके जाते हैं. एंड आई डोंट थिंक आई कैन डू इट विदाउट देम. आई कैन नॉट.
Well, that's big of you to say so, and I believe कि सही है, ठीक है, that's your process.
Yeah, it's true for me.
Yeah,
at least it's true for me.
But there were some scenes that were spectacular. I mean, कचरे में से बर्गर उठा के खाना या पूरा रिश्तीना का was fantastic. Jaffa was so good. I mean, एक scene जो था वो, of course, that is like the highlight for me of the entire drama is when Hassan beats her up in the room and she's in the hospital and so much emotion. और फिर उसके बाद लोगों को because regressive stories देख के ये डर है कि ये अच्छा ये reconcile कर लेगी, प्यार उसी से करेगी, लेकिन वो जो एक complexity of emotion थी कि प्यार है भी, शादी की value भी है, लेकिन अपनी भी self respect है, अपनी safety भी है, निकलना भी है आगे पीछे. तो मुझे याद है हमारी बड़ी कॉन्वर्सेशन इस चीज़ पे हुई थी और हसन ने कहा था कि क्यों ये सोच क्यों रही है. मैंने कहा हसन सोचेगी ना, इट्स नॉट दैट इजी, यू कांट जस्ट स्टेप आउट ऑफ अ मैरिज. आई मीन it takes time.
Women would understand.
Yeah, it takes time. That there is a pull and a push. The both things are happening side by side. You portrayed that so well that for somebody who at that time not married and मतलब खुदा ना करे कभी वो जो भी लोग गुजरे हैं उससे, but so many women do go through that.
Yeah.
And they wrote and they said, we completely relate to this character. for you to tap into that, I think was exceptional.
Yeah. So many times I received feedback for Jaffa and it made me cry.
Yeah.
I used to be scrolling through my Instagram
Yeah.
mindlessly, and then I'd read a comment and I would really break into tears because of the stories women shared with me.
Yeah.
Some on the comments, some on DMs, and someone even told me that she ended her marriage now because she watched Jaffa. And she
that
told
is
me
the
her entire story, and I read it and it broke my
And
heart.
that is the influence. I think that's why we need to take it so seriously,
Yeah.
because influence बहुत incredible है television का.
Yeah. हर घर में चलता है.
हर घर में चलता है. आप negative positive जरूर दिखाएं, लेकिन वो ना दिखाएं जिससे नुकसान हो.
Yeah.
किसी भी community को या किसी औरत को नुकसान नहीं होना चाहिए.
Anyone can go wrong. Anyone
Yeah.
can make a mistake.
Yeah.
But I think intention होनी चाहिए to try not to damage the society or take it
बिल्कुल.
पीछे ना लेके जाएं आप. इतनी मुश्किल से आगे लाते हैं हम. चीज़ों को इतनी मुश्किल से चेंज करते हैं. औरतों के लिए इतनी मुश्किल से रास्ता बनता है. I think मेरे से जो पहले औरतें थीं और जिन्होंने ऐसे कैरेक्टर्स किए हैं, I remember जिंदगी गुलजार है, Miss Sanam having such a deep impact on me.
Fantastic, yeah.
So I think कि वो लोग रास्ता बना रहे थे तो हम उस रास्ते पे चल पा रहे हैं. And I really truly hope कि मेरे बाद भी जो बच्चे आए, जो लड़कियां काम करें, उनको भी फील हो कि oh there was a ये रास्ता है जो मावरा ने हमारे लिए पेव किया है. We can follow this one. And even if we're not doing the, so to say, the bigger projects, we can still make a mark somehow.
Totally.
And I think वो मेरे लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है that the girls who are looking at me today can feel inspired in some way.
Absolutely. Mehrbano was such an inspiring story.
Yeah,
वो जो
that
scene
was also
होता है,
very
that was like,
heartbreaking.
I mean, people don't talk about
Marital
rape. They just, I mean, it's not a subject that you.
Yeah, and I don't think any producer other than Momna Duraid would still talk about it.
Absolutely. वो भी बहुत
in the way she did.
In the
very
way she did.
Explicitly, very openly.
Sensitively. Absolutely. Absolutely.
वो घबराती नहीं है कि हम एक ऐसे टॉपिक को टच कर रहे हैं जो कोई नहीं करता.
Yeah.
So I think उससे मुझे बहुत हिम्मत मिलती है. And I'm also just as invested, and
बिल्कुल.
I openly speak. कभी-कभी, people around you, they mince the words when they're doing those scenes, and it makes me very uncomfortable. I don't want to mince anything. It's happening. हमारे mince करने से वो रुक नहीं रही है. हम हमारे कहने से शायद रुक जाए.
Yeah.
So I really want to be able to do such roles and such projects even in the future, inshallah. And at the same time be able to do projects which are not very
lighter,
heartbreaking,
a bit lighter, a bit not so हिलाने वाले इतने ना हो, a bit heartbreaking.
Absolutely.
So but you are thinking about projects that you take, and of course there's a thought process, and अब तो मुझे लगता है आप और अमीर दोनों बैठ के decide करते हो कि अच्छा करना है कि नहीं करना. So how did
आपको पता है मेरे लिए अमीर बहुत input देता है क्योंकि मैं मांगती बहुत input हूँ. मैं बहुत उसका बेचारे के brain cells
वो नहीं मांगता.
नहीं, he has a very different process. I always give my 2 cents. I am so chatty, Amna. Can you stop me from giving my 2 cents? लेकिन I think Ameer has a very internalized करता है वो चीज़ों को. उसका process बड़ा अपना है. Even watching him as Ashad on Neem, I couldn't tell what his process is. The stammering, the demeanor, गाँव का लड़का. मतलब I couldn't see Ameer in him. जब मैं वहाँ उसके साथ काम करी थी, also पहले ही चुप रहता है, अशद में और चुप हो गया था. तो
I think he's quite an enigma.
बड़ा different process है अमीर का. I think मुझे validation चाहिए होती है. I think अमीर is somebody जिसको validation नहीं चाहिए होती है. उसको अगर उसके दिल को चीज़ ठीक लगे, he's a very strong believer of his gut.
Right.
He goes by his gut. He plays characters from his heart. तो I think उसका process मुझसे थोड़ा अलग है. मुझे बार-बार पूछना होता है, अमीर से तो मैं बहुत पूछती हूँ. लेकिन I think all through my life also, with my mom, with my sister, I've always felt the need to have that validation.
Right.
But I think Ameer is not like that. Ameer is very to himself.
To himself. So अगर तुम साथ हो कैसे आया? Did it come to both of you together? उस वक्त क्या situation थी? I mean, I'd love to hear that. How did you decide that this is the project you want to do?
I think अगर तुम साथ हो, अमीर के पास पहले आया था. And तब उस वक्त पे Ameer was doing this project with someone else. And I think it got delayed by a month or something, and by that time I had finished Jaffa. तो फिर मुझे इसके लिए कॉल आ गई थी. And मैं चाहती हूँ मेरे हर ड्रामे में अमीर हो. मुझे तो बहुत मजा आता है. क्योंकि मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है to work with actors, not just saying it because it's Ameer and he's my husband.
Yeah.
But मैं इस बात के टाइम से कह रही हूँ, it is so exciting to work with actors जो बहुत prepared होते हैं. You know, it's very exciting कि जिस सीन में आप हो वो वहाँ आपके साथ present हैं. सीन अच्छा होगा या बुरा होगा ये दुनिया का बेस्ट एक्टर और डायरेक्टर भी नहीं बता सकता. लेकिन द फैक्ट कि आपकी कोशिश 200% होनी चाहिए वो होती है सेट पर अमीर की. एंड लकीली फॉर मी विद द डायरेक्टर्स आई हैव वर्कड विद, सो आई थिंक दैट इज अ रेसिपी फॉर अ गुड प्रोजेक्ट. नाउ वेदर इट विल बी अ ब्लॉकबस्टर और जस्ट अ माइल्डली गुड प्रोजेक्ट, दैट इज नसीब. लेकिन जो इनिशियल रेसिपी है मैं चाहती हूँ वो हो कि एक्टर्स वो हों जो बहुत डेडिकेटेड हों, डायरेक्टर्स वो हों जो बहुत इन्वेस्टेड हों. एंड देन आई आल्सो ऑलवेज प्रे कि मेरा वर्क एथिक हमेशा ऐसा ही रहे क्योंकि पता नहीं चलता. सो आई ऑलवेज प्रे. आई हैव सीन पीपल अराउंड मी इन द लास्ट 10-12 इयर्स कि वो आते बहुत हाई स्पिरिटेड हैं और फिर स्पिरिट्स टूट जाती हैं. तो मैं बस हमेशा अपने लिए दुआ करती हूँ कि अल्लाह मियां मैं जितनी एक्साइटमेंट से सुबह 8:30 बजे उठती हूँ ना कि मेरा 9 बजे का कॉल टाइम है, मैं उतनी ही एक्साइटमेंट से सारी जिंदगी उठना चाहती हूँ.
बट स्टोरी भी होगी इसमें कोई ट्विस्ट एंड टर्न्स बिकॉज़ अब लग रहा है जैसे
अगर तुम साथ हो. या आई थिंक व्हेन आई रेड द स्क्रिप्ट द वर्ड आई कैन यूज फॉर द स्क्रिप्ट इज दैट इट वाज थ्रिलिंग. मुझे पढ़ के अजीब सा कुछ लग रहा था कि ये बहुत कुछ हो रहा है, यू नो, और ऐसा होता नहीं है यूजुअली ड्रामास में. सो आई थिंक इट्स अ ब्रेव अटेम्प्ट बाय रादेन हु इज आवर राइटर एंड बाय अदनान सरवर जिनका ये पहला ड्रामा है. सो आई थिंक इट्स अ ब्रेव अटेम्प्ट. कोई और डायरेक्टर जो हर वक्त सीरियल्स करते हैं शायद ये स्क्रिप्ट ना उठाते, थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट भी है टू मेक दिस स्क्रिप्ट बिलीवेबल. बट अल्लाह करे इंशाल्लाह. अभी तो वी आर स्टिल शूटिंग. आई एम स्टिल लेफ्ट विद द स्पेल आफ्टर ईद.
राइट.
सो आई रियली होप दैट बन जाए जो हम बनाने निकले हैं.
I mean, बन जाएगा. और सबसे बड़ी चीज़ है कि you worked with Zaviar before in Mehrbano as well, so I guess कि एक अच्छी एक camaraderie है, and you know, and Raden and Adnan both are, you know, like seasoned. Maybe Adnan's first drama, but फिल्में तो उन्होंने बनाई हैं, and बड़ी इज्जत है
different है ये दोनों mediums, बड़े अलग हैं एक दूसरे से.
For you, does film excite you? Would you like to go back to cinema? क्या scene है?
I mean the conversation about Sanam Teri Kasam 2 is exciting.
है ना?
क्योंकि सनम 1 जो है वो मैं 21 साल की थी when I experienced that, and I think मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि शायद मैंने उसको पूरी तरह से एक्सपीरियंस नहीं किया. मैं बहुत ओवरवेल्म थी, मैं घर से दूर थी, मैं बॉम्बे पहली दफ़ा गई थी. मुझे बहुत सी चीज़ें वर्कअप कर देती थी, like not getting to have tea with my friends and family because I was really young. Today I feel what an opportunity. Wow. You know, it feels like a dream. मैं जहाँ जाती थी बॉम्बे में रेस्टोरेंट में हेयर कट के लिए, बचपन से हम बॉलीवुड देख रहे हैं, मुझे ऐसे राइट लेफ्ट एंड सेंटर बॉलीवुड स्टार्स दिखते थे. इट वाज वेरी लाइक मेरा ध्यान कहीं और था. बट ऑफ कोर्स क्योंकि मेरे डायरेक्टर्स इतने अमेजिंग थे, दे रियली लाइक आई सेड मेरे अंदर से परफॉर्मेंस निकाली थी उन्होंने. और उसके लिए अभी तक प्यार तो फिर एक्टर्स को ही मिलता है ना. लेकिन दैट एक्साइट्स मी. समथिंग लाइक दैट, something very intense, emotional would excite me.
So India Pakistan के बीच में तो शायद काम सिनेमा लेवल पे तो नहीं,
I think OTT
has opened. Exactly.
So I do have a few opportunities which I am looking into.
Nice.
But today 10 years later I do feel the responsibility a lot more. To do with the scripts. अब वो चाहे पाकिस्तान का हो या इंडिया का हो या लंदन का हो या जहाँ का भी हो, has to be a good script. तो वो यहाँ पर फिर भी क्योंकि I've worked for a long enough time, I can make those little tweaks, make a request to the writer, make a request to the producer. But outside of Pakistan, the territory, of course, kind of also intimidates me. That I want to, if I go and do something, I want to get it right. So I think the pressure is slightly more than working in your own country.
I can just appeal to them that if they're doing a Sanam Teri Kasam 2, do it for OTT so you can be part of it.
Yeah, let's see.
Absolutely.
Yeah, I think they are thinking on these lines. Let's see.
But exciting that things are in the pipeline. बातें कम से कम conversation हो रही है.
बिल्कुल. And then of course the scripts in Pakistan are also so exciting.
So exciting.
The ones after Agar Tum Saath Ho.
So coming full circle back to the शादी, आप लोग अभी तक काम कर रहे हो, छुट्टियों में शादी कर ली, तो अब स्पेल खत्म होगा तो क्या प्लान है? ना प्रपोजल कन्वेंशनल था, निकाह कन्वेंशनल था, शादी अब Is there like are there any plans
I
of
think we're on a
holidays or
work
breaks
moon
or
right now.
or honeymoons?
No honeymoons, only work moons. So I think this feels like a nice getaway from, because शादी पे थोड़े से लोग थे लेकिन फिर भी काफी लोग होते हैं. जब आप इस तरह travel करते हो, even if it's for work, just me and him.
Yeah.
I think this was a very good work moon. And
So आजकल क्या routine क्या है? Let's end on the routine कि अब तो रमजान भी चल रहा है and you know.
I mean, we only have the Sundays off, and mashallah, my family is here in Karachi, so we meet a lot on Sundays. We spend a lot of time with each other. Otherwise, we're just shooting 9 to 9, 9 to 11.
Oh, that's a grueling.
Yeah, we're
Used to it?
Yeah, I'm used to it.
Oh my
And,
God, that is a
Amir साथ होता है पूरा दिन
grueling schedule. हाँ वो तो
on the
खैर
set.
वो
So
bonus
that's a very good
Yeah.
feeling right now. I don't think कि अभी अगर मैं किसी और project पे चली जाती right after my wedding तो मुझे इतना अच्छा feel होता जैसे मुझे अभी हो रहा है. But yeah, soon after I wrap, अगर तुम साथ हो, I will have to go to another project where I
Oh my
don't see
God.
Amir around me all the time.
हाँ.
So yeah, that would be difficult.
So no moons
Not in
near future.
not in the near future because the dates are tied up a bit. But inshallah, whenever we can find that little.
And any conventional like things happening in your marriage, like do you like to cook for him or?
I haven't cooked so far. I mean,
do you cook? I mean,
I would like to cook. I do cook.
Okay.
I think I do a decent job at cooking, but not the conventional cooking.
Okay.
I can make biryani from the conventional
You can?
things. Yeah, my mom taught me how to make biryani.
Okay.
Because my mom makes the best biryani in the world.
मावरा अब खानी पड़ेगी अब तो
हाँ जी,
मतलब है
बिल्कुल अब तो मैं आपको याद दिलाऊंगी when mama would be in Pakistan.
No, we want you to cook the biryani.
I could cook too, but at your own risk, please. No, I think I'll do a decent job. I can make burgers.
Okay.
I can make a few things, and Amir वैसे कुछ खाता ही नहीं. Amir is always
अच्छा
on
अमीर
a
बोलता भी नहीं है खाता भी नहीं है ओके अमीर से मिलना पड़ेगा
गर्ल्स ड्रीम कुछ पकाने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. अमीर अपना जो डाइट खाना खाते हैं और अपना ही एयर फ्रायर में ही मेक्स इट हिमसेल्फ. You know, I think it comes from him living abroad at a young age. He's lived in Canada for a very long time. Then he went again to US for his LLM. So I think very self-sufficient guy. But I would really want to cook for him. I really want him to try whatever I can make.
And is he romantic?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So कम से कम ये नहीं private तो है romantic and private is good.
No, he is. And I think he's like I said, he's a very sensitive person. So he's not about the outer projection of love.
The big gesture.
No, he does those small things जो at least for me, I think as a girl वो बहुत important चीजें होती हैं. You know, even something as like my ring, you know, like he wanted me to have a ring I want to wear for the rest of my life, you know, or my work. He's always so supportive, always just rooting for me. Sanam Teri Kasam's success, I think he was the one constantly telling me the numbers.
Yeah.
So I think बहुत छोटी बहुत ज़्यादा चीज़ें करता है अमीर. And my heart's full. Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
Yeah, I think I lucked out. I truly feel that.
I think you, I say you deserved it is very sort of, you know, patronizing, but I think that you're both good together. It's a balance of very good energies. मुझे ऐसा लगता है. And it showed with the love everybody gave you and, you know, the way you guys were. So it's like, yeah. So, but thank you for sharing so many details of your wedding and those special moments. And Amir is not here, and I think he's a very private person. तो मुझे नहीं पता कि वो कितनी बात करते ना करते, but आपने share की, so thank you for that. I'm sure everybody will be really happy to hear, you know, wholesome, you know, because I mean fans look up to you guys.
Yeah, and you know, Amna, I wanted to do this for you, for Hassan, but most importantly, I really wanted to do this for my fans.
Yeah.
जितना प्यार मैंने पिछले 1 महीने में हमने मेरी पूरी फैमिली ने जितना प्यार हमने एक्सपीरियंस किया है, it's unbelievable. I hope it stays. I hope we're always worthy of that love.
Yeah.
With our work, with our, you know, conduct, with our interactions with our fans, with the interviews. I hope I can always give back. क्योंकि बहुत बहुत अनबिलीवेबली ज़्यादा. मैं हमेशा अपने लिए प्यार एक्सपेक्ट करती हूँ क्योंकि मुझे मिला है पिछले इतने सालों में. बट दिस लास्ट 1 month, I think my eyes were twinkling. They were shining with the love I was receiving from everyone, family, friends, fans. It really was the best time of my life.
Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah, absolutely. And may Allah keep it that way for both of you.
Ameen.
Ameen,
Inshallah, I
absolutely.
hope so.
Mavra, thank you so much. It was
Thank you,
lovely.
Amna.